Hello students, so here in this session we are going to discuss about how to write a C program to read an integer number and print the reverse of that number, right? We need to print the reverse of that number and we have to use recursion. So initially we have included header file, thereafter main function is starting, and in that we have declared two variables. The name of one variable is num and the another one is reverse underscore number. Both are of integer type. Thereafter, user is going to see this message on screen that enter any number, and whatever number user is going to enter, that is going to be stored at the address of num variable, right? Just after that, what we are doing, focus, reverse underscore number, we are assigning some value to it. What value we are assigning? The result of reverse underscore function num. Basically, reverse underscore function num, it is a function which is taking a parameter of integer type whose name is num. So this function is getting called here. So when this function is getting called here, you can simply see that this function is here. Now what is going to happen if num, whatever number user have entered here, that is stored in num, that num will be called here. Let's say user have entered 1 2 3 4 or whatever. Remainder equals to num mod 10. So initially if user have entered 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 mod 10, what is the result? 3. So right now the value of remainder is 3. Thereafter sum equals to sum into 10. Initially the value of sum is 0 plus remainder, that is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. Right now the value of remainder is 3. Right now the value of sum is 3. And reverse function num divide by 10. 1 2 3 divide by 10 is nothing but 3. Because if you are going to 1 2 3 divide by 10 is nothing but 12. Because 123, if you are going to divide it by 10, 12 point something would be there, right? 12.3, but it is of integer type, so it is going to take 12. I hope you are understanding it. What I am saying, if user have entered 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 mod 10, it's nothing but 3, isn't it? And here the value of sum initially is 0 into 10, that is 0 plus remainder. What is remainder? 3. So right now the result is nothing but 3. Here right now, if you are going to see reverse function num divide by 10, 1 2 3 divide by 10, if I am going to do, what I am getting 12 point something, but as it is of integer type, it's going to take 12. Now what we need to do, right now the value of num is 10, again 12. Now again this is going to happen 12 mod 10. After this 12 mod 10. What is the 12 mod 10? It's nothing but 2, isn't it? Yes. Thereafter, sum equals to sum into 10. The right now value of sum was 3. 3. Initially, the value of sum was 3. 3 into 10 plus remainder. The value of remainder is 2. It's nothing but 3 into 10. That is 30 plus 2. That is nothing but 32. So the sum is 32. And reverse number, so 12 divided by 10, 12 divided by 10, it's nothing but 1 point something. 1 point something is nothing but 1 in the terms of integer. If 1 is also non-zero value, 1 is also non-zero, again true, because if non-zero value is coming, we are going to run it. 1 is non-zero, again it's going to run 1 mod 10. 1 mod 10 is nothing but 1 is 1 as it is, isn't it? So the value of remainder right now is 1. And sum equals to, what is the value of sum? 3 2 multiply with 10 plus remainder. What is the latest value of remainder? 1. It's nothing but 321, isn't it? And 1 divided by 10, reverse function is getting called 1 divided by 10. It's nothing but 0.1, but integer type, that is why it would be 0. Now if 0 is called, 0 is false. If false, we are going to stop and return sum. What is the sum? 321, return sum. So if user have entered 1 2 3, the result is 321. This is how this function is getting run, and here after reverse number, that is 321 is going to print. Let me save it and let me try to run it in front of you so that you all can get that how this is going to run. Reverse.c. Okay, enter any number. You can see here, enter any number 1, 2, 3, 4. Result is 4, 3, 2, 1. Once more you can run. Once more you can run. Enter any number. Here you can see enter any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The result is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I hope the functionality that how to reverse any integer using recursion, how it is recursion, function calling itself. And this is the logic. This is the 3-line logic. I have explained it clearly. So I hope it is very much clear to all of you. Thank you so much.